And here's that drag, Brian.
Yeah, Tosh van der Sande here at the front. A lot of looking behind. That was super fast into that roundabout. So we go 800 metres to this final roundabout, and then when we swing left, it'll be more of a kind of headwind. So it's how are you positioned? Have you put your nose in the wind? A few sprinters have actually been put out of position. Phil Barhouse for Bahrain in the white is in a good position. He's been brought up, but we're going to see a kind of mad rush into this next roundabout in about 500 metres time.
Many bookmakers come up here as well to join the fray. Molano is going to work alone for UAE Team Emirates, but he's up towards the front as well. Meanwhile, picking it up, it is Tudor for Arvid Decline. Meanwhile, dead centre of proceedings, just weaving, wefting all over the place. There's a few others that want to be part of proceedings here in Israel Premier Tech with Pascal Ackermann are in a happy place at the moment. Ackermann just on second wheel in the blue and white, that accent as you are seeing it. Gruzdev is here as well, trying to kick a hole in proceedings. Mark Cavendish, can't see him at the moment. This is a big left-hander as they come around, and now it is time to deliver. Goodness me, a higher pace you'd be hard pushed to find, and right now there's very little wiggle room. It's a wide highway, but not as wide as some roads that we have seen, but there are options out there for plenty. It's going to have to come down to solo efforts by the looks of it, Brian.
Yeah, a lot of riders out of position. A lot of riders don't really have their lead out as well, so they're leaving it rather late, and I think doing that is going to help them because this kind of drags up towards the line. Very chaotic at the moment, nobody in real control as Bora Hansgrohe go on the right-hand side of the screen.
Yes, they do. Bora Hansgrohe with Sam Welsford. Looks like he's got the ultimate guide. Oh, drop chains as well for some others as well. For Decathlon, I'm afraid. Sam Welsford's out of it. Low and crash as well. Plenty down. 2 milli down to be comfortable. Movistar have done a great job of getting it right at the line. On the throw. Merlier coming through. I thought that was the line, and now it is. Finally, Tim Merlier delivers. Favourite status for him. But my goodness, Fernando Gaviria, I thought he'd gone maybe just a little bit too early. We've had a crash and plenty. And to play it, you've got to be a hard person. And my life, that was a big one. And not welcome at all.
Yeah, chaos in the finish. An absolute chaotic sprint, as we expected. Slightly uphill. There's a lot of riders down here. I think Ineos definitely involved there. But what a strong sprint that was. You know, he did well in this race last year, a couple of stage wins. You know, he's already kicked off the year with a good win, and that was a strong ride there. Like you thought as well that Gaviria was coming there. He, as a rider, won in Colombia as well, but it's just that rise up, leaving it late was the thing to do, but just avoiding that chaos as well.
Phil Bauhaus well positioned as well. We'll get official results for you in a moment. Good Lord, Tim Merlier lived up to the billing. That was chaotic. He was supreme.
Wow, what a finish. What a finish. God, I was on the edge of my seat. We could hardly believe that at the end with that crash, but I will take the win. Tim Merlier.
Oh, yeah,
he was my prediction.
Yeah. No, this was a very chaotic final. At this point here, the Decathlon rider with his head down, not looking to his left, almost crashed in. So I think that's Ryan Mullen there. It was just a mess. On the left-hand side, you can see Gaviria already going for it. Tim Merlier at this point, there's the crash. We'll get back and have a look at that. But that was quite far back as well for a crash to happen, to go that late into the final. But yeah, Tim Merlier just timed to perfection. Not really a lead-out rider. So we're just getting information through. Mark Cavendish just in front of the crash. There he is across the line. So he survived that crash. But yeah, a chaotic final with so many teams towards the front. We discussed this.